Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to apply for Kabbage funding as a sole proprietor. Now, if you're a sole proprietor, you may think that getting funds for your business is more difficult, but Kabbage makes it relatively simple for small business owners to get the financial support that they need. Now, let's walk through the steps how to get this done. Step 1, understand Kabbage eligibility requirements. Now, as a sole proprietor, you can apply for a Kabbage line of credit or loan if you meet the following criteria. The first is your business has to have been operating for at least 6 months. Second, you must have a valid business bank account. Third, your business makes a minimum amount of monthly revenue. Now, Kabbage uses an algorithm to evaluate your business financial health, so you don't need to worry about providing too much paperwork. But the more data that you have, the better your chances. So take note of that. Now, step 2, gather necessary documents. Now, as a sole proprietor, Kabbage will still ask for basic documents, including bank statements, tax returns, business legal documents. So be sure that you have these necessary documents before applying for the loan. Step 3, log into your Kabbage account. Now, if you're a new user, you want to go ahead and create a Kabbage account. For existing users, you just got to log into your dashboard, and you're going to be prompted to answer a few security questions about your business finances. Step 4, fill out the application. Now, once you're logged in, go ahead and apply for fundings by entering your details. Now, you're going to enter the monthly revenue, how long you've been in business, as well as the purpose of your loan. Now, you're going to be asked to link your business bank account to Kabbage platform, which allows them to verify your financial information. Step 5, submit the application and wait for approval. Now, after submitting, Kabbage will review your application. If you qualify, you're going to be approved within minutes, and funds are going to be deposited into your bank account. Step 6, accept your loan offer. Now, once approved, you're going to see your loan offer, including the loan amounts, repayment terms, and fees. So go ahead and review the offer, and if you're satisfied, accept the loan. Bonus tip: as a sole proprietor, you can access a line of credit that gives you flexibility to borrow as much as or as little as you need, up to your approved limit. That's it. You're now ready to apply for Kabbage funding as a sole proprietor and get the resources that you need to grow your business. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.